Princess Mia's morning routine. Hi friends, I'm Princess Mia. Are you ready to start your day with me? Let's go! Good morning, brush your teeth. Get dressed up, nice and neat. Eat breakfast, yummy for my tummy. Now we're ready, feels so sunny. Morning routine every day. Princess Mia leads the way. Step by step, fun and nice. Starting our day feels really nice. Brush, brush, chomp, chomp. Morning time, let's sing along. Sing it once, sing it twice. Princess Mia's mornings are super nice. Good job, friends. See you next time. Subscribe to start your morning with Princess Mia.